Hello everyone, and welcome to my fashion and beauty tips channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Is dry, frizzy, and rough hair bothering you? Discover 10 hair mask ingredients to look for in hair masks for healthy, smooth, and silky hair. Dry hair, frizz, and rough hair make it more worse because of the pollution around, making it more frizzy, dry, and difficult to handle. Hair is one of the girl's truest treasures. It carries the whole look, and if the hair doesn't go how we want it to be, the day is bad. But no worries, here are 10 of the best hair mask ingredients for dry and damaged hair that are required to improve your hair. 1. Argan oil. Argan oil is one of the best and most effective ingredients in hair masks for dry, frizzy hair. Contains essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E, which instantly moisturize the hair. These fatty acids deeply absorb into the strand of the hair, improving its elasticity and preventing hair breakage. The release of vitamin E from amino acids protects the hair from pollution and sun exposure. Unlike other hair oils, argan oil keeps the hair light, soft, and silky, which makes it easy to manage and prevents from split ends. 2. Keratin protein. The majority of the hair is made up of keratin, which is a structural protein. Keratin-contained hair mask will act as a protective layer in your hair strand. However, chemical treatments, pollution, UV rays, and even harsh shampoos act to break down the keratin that is produced naturally from hair, which results in weak, rough, and dry hair. A good option is to opt for hair masks that contain keratin and help to maintain the hair by keeping it smooth and silky. With consistent use of keratin-infused hair masks, it will strengthen the hair texture, making it smoother by restoring its elasticity and repairing the chemical damage. 3. Shea butter. For people with severely damaged dry hair, shea butter is the best ingredient to look for while choosing a hair mask, which acts as a natural conditioner and makes the scalp healthier. Shea butter contains vitamins A and E along with fatty acids. It helps to seal hair moisture by keeping it hydrated. Its thick, creamy texture works the best for people who have curls or frizz-prone hair, as it softens the rough cuticle by preventing it from dryness. It has the tendency to keep the hair hydrated without making it greasy. Regular use of keratin can increase the chance to improve hair elasticity. 4. Vitamin E. Hair masks that contain vitamin E are required for healthy hair and scalp. Its ingredient, vitamin E, helps strengthen the hair by preventing it from dryness and reducing split ends. Its powerful antioxidant prevents the hair from UV rays and environmental pollutants by ensuring that the hair follicle receives more nutrients for hair growth and repair. Its key benefit is to improve scalp circulation, balance oil production, and help enhance the blood flow, which supplies oxygen and essential nutrients to the hair, preventing excessive thinning of hair. 5. Olive oil. Olive has been used for decades historically, as a natural remedy for hair care. For those with really dry hair are recommended to use olive-infused hair mask. It's rich in antioxidants and vitamin E prevents the hair from damage that may occur due to pollution, oxidative damage, or hairstyling. Olive oil is beneficial for dry hair. The fatty acid produced by olive oil help to nourish the scalp and making it beneficial for hair growth. Work as a repairing ingredients caused by chemical treatments and excessive styling. 6. Aloe vera. Aloe vera contains 99% water, making it one of the most naturally hydrating ingredients for hair, while its 1% is composed of vitamins A, C, E, and B12, minerals, and amino acids. Hair masks that consist of aloe vera are preferred for hydrating and moisturizing the hair, which is ideal for oily scalps, makes the hair smoother, and brings natural shine because of its conditioning and smoothing effects. It contains ingredients to reduce dandruff and prevent irritation of the scalp, which can be caused by dryness of the scalp. Its lightweight texture is suitable for daily or weekly treatment, making the hair lightweight and healthy. 7. Coconut oil. A hair mask that consists of coconut oil is suitable for repairing the damaged hair from inside and out, rather than just coating the surface. Coconut retains moisture of the hair by making it soft, smooth, and more manageable over time. It's known for its ability to reduce protein loss from hair during washing of hair. It benefits by deeply repairing the hair damage caused by heat and chemicals applied to hair, retaining long-lasting moisture, and going from natural conditioning to cuticle smoothing, making the hair manageable, reducing dryness, and preventing frizz. 8. Panthenol, vitamin B5. Panthenol is a provitamin of vitamin B5, suitable for all hair types, from curly to straight hair. In hair masks, it ensures moisture to lock in the hair and works well when combined with oil, butter, and proteins. Enhance an essential nutrient that helps strengthen the hair from within. By locking in moisture, it works like magic in making each strand of hair thicker, softer, smoother, and more manageable by reducing the rough texture of the hair and by maintaining the shine of the hair, and it's suitable to protect against hair damage caused by brushing and heat damage. 9. Honey. Honey, as a key beneficial ingredient in hair masks, which are truly beneficial for dry hair, helps to retain moisture. Applying a honey-containing hair mask helps to hydrate dry hair, leaving them softer, smoother, and even more manageable. It contains properties that can help to add shine to the hair. The nutrients that are present in the hair encourage healthier growth and strengthen hair follicles by encouraging healthier hair growth and protect against environmental stresses that may lead to breakage and stresses. It has the tendency to revive dull hair by providing scalp nourishment, which supports stronger and faster hair growth. 10. Macadamia oil. A lightweight and powerful hair nourishing oil, when added to hair masks, it acts to lock in the hair moisture by strengthening the cuticle and leaves the hair feeling smooth and silky. If you have dry, brittle strands, macadamia oil-containing hair masks will act to revive the hair. It releases omega-7 fatty acid, which makes it highly absorbent to the hair, making it deeply penetrate into the hair strand, leaving it lightweight. If your hair feels unmanageable, macadamia oil will work on it by locking in the moisture and making the hair more manageable than before and protecting it from split ends. So what do you guys think about this update? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like my videos, please press like and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time.